Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. I'm sharing with you one of our favorite treats to give our dog. This is the Darford Oven Baked All Natural Dog Treats, and this is in the roasted salmon recipe. So we give our dog a really healthy, balanced diet. We don't give her corns, gluten, soy, so why would I give her any treats with those ingredients? I love the fact that these treats have ingredients of food that I personally would eat without any chemicals. I love the fact that the first ingredient is salmon. So it just gives me that reassurance knowing that the treats I'm giving my dog are healthy, they're good for her, and I love the fact that she loves them so much. So I like the fact that on closer inspection of these treats, you can see right away the dried blueberry, the chia seeds. So all these really healthy, natural ingredients that are good for you, they're gonna be good for your dog as well. I think it's so cute that the treats are actually heart-shaped. It's so adorable because we do all love our dogs. My dog is a 10-pound Shih Tzu, so I have given her the full treat before, but I can easily break it in half and give her the one half and save the other half for later, as I don't want to give her too many treats. But these are great for training your dog as well, or for reinforcing positive behavior, which is what we use these treats for. So we spoil our dog with these, but we know that these treats are so good for her, so it makes us so happy giving these to her. They come in really great other flavors as well, but our dog specifically loves the salmon flavor, and the treats don't smell like salmon, which is nice. So I highly recommend these dog treats, but that's just my point of view.